not really high. And that's what I'm talking about. We've got chances, but it does look to be pretty light as we do head through the rest of your evening. So that's not to say you won't get caught under a shower, but the chances are very low, and we're going to continue to see those taper off as we head into your Saturday morning, and then temperatures are going to start cooling down as well. So let's track you through the rest of your evening. Still think a few of these isolated showers could pop up, but most of them will be wrapping up as we head into your Saturday morning. Here we are around 1 a.m. The last of it, the front itself, should be passing our area, and that is going to allow for winds to come out of the north, which is going to cool us down. So tomorrow, it is going to feel cooler than the last several days. We will see lots of dry time. Clouds are likely going to be a little stingy tomorrow. They're not going to just completely clear out. So I would expect a partly to mostly cloudy day tomorrow, but still going to feel nice out there. And we're going to be dry. So that is good news for us as we look towards your weekend. Tonight, still some spotty showers out there, but we are going to work on drying out and cooling down. Temperatures falling into the lower 50s as we approach your Saturday morning. Then as we look at your weekend forecast, shaping up nicely. Great weather for the outdoors, upper 60s. For your Saturday. Now we are going to be cooler due to that cold front, which is shifting those winds out of the north. And then looking at Sunday, we're going to be slightly warmer. A beautiful day, and likely our best day as we look toward the next 7 days, because next week is looking a little active for us. Now Monday, I think we're going to be okay, but Tuesday we do bring in that possibility of some severe storms. We're still monitoring. We're still several days out, but Tuesday is looking to be pretty much showers, possibly some thunderstorms, but as far as organized severe weather, we're still a little too far out to know for sure if that's what we're going to be looking at for Tuesday. But if you have plans next week, you can see a lot of rain popping up as we do approach the back half of next week, especially Tuesday night and into Wednesday. And then it does look to be more isolated by Friday, and that brings us those cooler, or at least a little bit of a cool down through the back half of the week.